Hey everybody,
Hi.
welcome back. And for this one, we're throwing Iftar Snacks. Are you ready, Easy?
Yep.
Here we go. Okay, Easy, what's your favorite Iftar snack? So,
Uber, uh,
Uber,
green roll,
a spring roll,
and samosa.
and samosa. Okay, so you've got Uber, spring roll, and samosa.
Yep.
Mine is samosa, fritter, pumpkin fritter, and a dalchi chili bite. So here we go. Let's go. So first off, you're gonna draw your bubble.
Yep.
Okay, then I'm drawing my samosa. I'm putting it in the middle. Okay, my samosa is gonna be a character. It's gonna have eyes and everything. Okay. So I've got my samosa, and he's happy to be alive. But yeah, I'm gonna eat him later. Let's see what you've got. You've got your mug. Let me see. Okay, that's cool. You've got your mug with your booba in it. Okay, so you've got your mug, and I've got my samosa. What was your second snack?
Green roll.
The spring roll, and my one was, what did I say?
Uh,
Pumpkin fritter.
Yes.
Something called it. Pumpkin fritter. So my pumpkin fritter is gonna go over here, and you can continue with your spring roll. So our pumpkin fritter is just gonna be a blob. My pumpkin fritter, and that's your spring roll. Okay, and my third one was a dalchi, actually. But what's yours?
samosa.
Samosa. Okay, so you got your samosa to do. I've got my dalchi. Let's go. So dalchi can be like a round thing with maybe some kind of deformities going on. He's gonna be a big-eyed dalchi, and he's gonna be completely happy. What's your guy doing? I like a samosa guy. I like a samosa guy. Okay. And there we have it, everybody. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's our favorite iftar snack. So we've got your puba, you've got your puba, your spring roll and your samosa. I've got my dalchi. I don't know what you call it in English. Chili bite, as the packaging says. And this is my samosa and my pumpkin fritter.
Yes.
Yep, that's our snacks.
Yep.
Ramadan Kareem to everybody. Thanks for watching. Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Always remember to be good
Have fun.
and have fun.
Bye. Please eat samosa.